Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm juicing today, so every day for the next 3 days I'm going to share 3 recipes from my juicing ebook. It's going to be totally free, but the ebook is for sale. Am I not nice? So juice with me today. The first one I'm going to be making is the hydrating juice. I'm going to be using cucumber and strawberries. I'll need watermelon, cucumber, strawberries, and I'll need orange. I'm going to use half of this watermelon, this cucumber, and I'm going to use about 5 of the strawberries and then 1 orange. I've shown you the easiest way to actually cut your watermelon. I'm going to show you again for those that are just watching for the first time. All we need to do is slice it into 4 parts. I missed the half. It's not up to half, but let me just show you. You slice like this, okay, and slice like this. Now you start to cut it from here. There you have it. Your watermelon is sliced. It makes juicing easier. The next thing we're going to slice is the cucumber. So let's take out this part. Take out this part. So we're going to use the normal dicing method. So we don't need to take out the skin because we're juicing. But if you're making it as a smoothie, then maybe you can take out the skin if you don't want to eat the skin. Now it's time to cut the orange. Cut it into 4 parts. 5 strawberries, or if you want to put more, you can. I think I prefer more watermelon. Cutting out the rest. So now the juicing is about to begin. So I'll be able to get at least 3 bottles or 2 bottles from this. This is a lot of water. I have 3 bottles of this, and that's basically all I'm sharing today.